Hi everybody, I'm Miss Blair, and today I'm going to teach you how to log on to Microsoft Teams and how to find your homeroom class so that you know where to go for the first day of school. So the first thing you're going to need to do to log on to Microsoft Teams is to go to ClassLink, and there's a couple of different ways to get onto ClassLink. So the first way is if you checked out a device from HighPoint, there should be a blue icon on your home screen where you can just click on ClassLink and it'll take you right there to log in. The second way that you could do is you could go to our third grade website, which is where I am right now. So our third grade website, the website is right up here. It's sites.google.com/view/HPES3rd/home. And it would be a great idea to go ahead and bookmark it so that you can easily access it on your device. So I'm going to scroll down, and right under student links, I will see the icon for ClassLink. I could also go to the Fulton County Schools website, or I could go to the HighPoint website to log on as well. But I'm going to go ahead and click here to log on. And I'm going to need to enter my student ID number. And if I don't remember my student ID number, you can reach out to your teacher and they can give it to you so that you have it. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that for my username. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my password. And my password should be my birthday in just numbers. So if I was born February 20th, 2006, my password would be 02202006. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my password. And I'm going to press the sign in button. And then once I'm signed in, I am going to have to find Microsoft Teams. So there's two ways that you can get to Teams. So you can scroll down on ClassLink to find where Microsoft Office is listed, and your icons should be in ABC order, so you should be able to find them like that. And then open that folder and click on Teams. It's the purplish icon right here. I could also go up to the search bar and I could search the word Teams. I'm going to type in Teams. And there it is right there. I'm going to click on it and it's going to take me there. And then once I get onto Microsoft Teams, I have to sign in again. So I'm going to enter my student ID number again. And then I also have to enter fcstu.org at the end. So again, you enter your student ID number at fcstu.org. And then you'll press next. And then you will enter your password, and that will be your birthday again. And then you'll press the sign in button. And then you can choose to stay signed in or to not stay signed in. I would recommend that you do stay signed in if you are using your device that you are going to be using for school. But on mine, I'm going to go ahead and press no. And then you're just going to wait a second while it loads. And then you'll have two options again. So you can choose to get the Windows app or to use the web app. I highly recommend that you go ahead and download the Teams web app on your computer. So I would click the Get the Windows app. I already have it on my computer, so I'm not going to download it. And if you look down here, you can see what the Teams icon will look like once it's downloaded. But I'm going to go ahead and I am going to just use the web app. It works pretty much the same as the Windows app does. And then I'm going to see my different teams. If for some reason it takes you to a different screen whenever you log in, to find this screen where all your teams are on, you'll come over here to these different icons and you would click on Teams and it'll take you to this page. So it gets a little tricky right here because there are a lot of different teams that you'll probably see. You might see different teams for this year. You might see some of your teams from last year. But I'm going to show you how to find the team that you're going to want to get on for your homeroom class. So you can tell the difference between your teams from last year and this year by if they have a 21 in front of them, that means it's a team for this year. And then you'll also see your third grade teacher's name. If you see any apps that have a 20 at the beginning of them, or if they have your second grade teacher's name in front of them, that means that they're old and you're not going to need to use them. And we'll show you how to clean this up a little bit in a later date. So now I want to find where my homeroom class is so I know where to go for the first day of school. So I'm going to scroll until I find the team with my teacher's picture on it. And my teacher this year is Miss Rogers. So I see right here, here's a picture of Miss Rogers, and I also see, okay, there's a 21 in front of it. That means this team is for this year. I see Miss Rogers' name, that's my third grade teacher's name, and then it says third grade. So I know that this is the homeroom class I'm going to go to for class on Monday. So I am going to click on that. And then this is where I will go, and this is what you see whenever you log on and whenever you join your third grade homeroom team. And whenever you get on a Monday, your teacher will have started a meeting and you will just join that meeting. So again, if I go back to all my teams, I'm going to need to look down here. I'm going to scroll and I am going to click on my teacher's homeroom team. And then to let my teacher know that I figured out how to get to our homeroom class, I'm just going to type her a note down here, and I'm going to say, "Hi, Miss Rogers," and then I'm going to send it so that she can see it. And that is all. So you're going to want to go onto Class Link, and then you'll find Microsoft Teams, and then you'll log on to Microsoft Teams and find your teacher's homeroom by finding their picture and the 21 in your teacher's name. If you have any other questions or anything about logging on to Teams, please reach out to your teacher and we'll be more than happy to help you. Bye guys.